Kubor nakaslem jong nongsan Hima.
Menteri Keterat Puli Putih ba lakaman remboi la pentep apa kayeng dorbar thawan yang si thok ding ba sarkar kadang wat igilat kelenti ban Siew ya ke area ke badang sa ke bolong kumba sampai Klur tam Nonghikai Skul SSA. Abu jubab igijing keli ba wanra du MLA ko umroi ba George Billing do ba remboi la itu bagi area bade ban Siew Nonghikai Skul SSA nadu ka sitarik uyayong Arrear khan reu kolong palat prapuk ndai Klur tingka bat nagane ko sarkar kladep ban Siew lai phupra Klur tam Nagaliang MLA ko umroi lo ongru bagidan gi school managing committee gi bompat shimla Siew ya ketulop Nonghikai wat la ka sarkar kladep ban palat ya ketulop syaki nadu ubnai no pra Arrear arpho halor kade menteri lo kular ba unsapet banyak.
Minister in charge, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to start question 61. A, yes, sir. B, sir, the area salary dues to the enhancement of salary with effect from 1st April 2016 amounting to 89 crore 51 lakh 39,000 was payable, out of which 38 crore 35 lakh 94,000 was paid, and the balance of 51 crore 15 lakh and 45,000 is pending for payments, sir.
Honourable Speaker, sir, thank the government for clearing the liabilities of 38 out of the 89.51 crore, 38.35 crore has already been cleared. May we know, sir, as to what steps would be taken to clear maybe the entire amount of some portion of the pending liability for the clearance of the arrears to SSA teachers, sir?
The government have taken initiative to find ways and means how to clear this pending area, but due to the fund constraint, so as of now we cannot say when, but we are working out the possibilities how to maybe impart payment also we could do. So.
Sir, there is also this complaint of after the government has paid or transferred the salaries to the SSA teachers, the SMCs delay the further transfer of that salary to the teachers. So the government has transferred the salary to the SMCs, but then from the SMCs there's a delay to the teachers. So some teachers in some districts, they are yet to even receive the salary of December, the last tranche which was released by the government. So may I request the Honourable Minister, sir, to kindly look into this particular complaint?
We will look to it, sir.
Thank you, sir.
The President, please.
Sir, from the replies of the Honourable Minister in charge, we could understand that around 38 crores have been already paid. When this amount was paid?
It was paid in 2018-19, sir.
Can I get the reply again? I could not hear.
2018-19, sir.
In that case, sir, it's been quite long till now, if we consider. So out of this 51.15 crore pending, at least if the entire amount cannot be paid, at least part of this, if part of this also could be paid, it will be very helpful to the teachers who are really suffering. So may I get the assurance from the government, if the entire amount is not paid also, at least part of this may be paid in due course of time?
So we are working out how to clear these dues, but I cannot give the exact reply when. So we are working out depend upon the availability of fund, because whatever fund which we are earmarked for the we are supposed to clear also because of the late receipt of fund from the Government of India. We have already spent for the payment of salary also on the contingency funds, corpus fund.
We